Well, welcome back to another BMW video. And if you saw the last one, I destroyed the gearbox. But Ed, the channel's mechanic essentially, has got in it after saying that I probably couldn't have destroyed the 6-speed gearbox because they're bulletproof. He got in, wiggled it around a little bit and figured out it's the bushings. So it's all over the place, but you can't get first gear unless you push the gear stick down, like putting it in reverse in some cars, and then you can get first. Trying to do that in a junction is quite annoying. But I'm on my way to Ed's now anyway, to get it fixed, because we've got a whole load of new parts to fix the whole car. There we go. I didn't realise how big of a job this was. I've just watched the video, you gotta take everything off. Like, he's took the exhaust off and everything.
That's bullshit!
He knocks it off?
No!
Oh,
You can get the hands there easy enough.
okay, cool. I thought you could just do it from the top. Just like whip all that out.
You need to do it from the bottom a little bit. But it's not easy anyway.
Never seen bushing to be gone that much.
Well, they're gone.
I'm definitely not supposed to do that.
It's a lot of movement.
Yeah.
Damn it.
What?
You do need to take a exhaust off after
No!
Shit. Ding, ding. Oh, you're missing one anyways.
Yeah.
And then it should have been a rubber here, but it's not there anyway. And then just, yeah, to the bottom.
So as Ed said, the exhaust needed taken off, so I cracked on with that. It's literally just a couple of screws and a rubber bung. Then it's time to take the heat shield off, which landed on my head. And now Ed has lowered the gearbox so he can access the pins on the side of the gear stick mechanism, and once they're removed he can lower the whole thing out the bottom of the car.
Well, that should be one piece.
Should it?
Yeah.
Oh,
that
shit.
bushing here, that fits inside there in a way. And that's
Come
where
out in
it's
2
on.
pieces.
You know what I mean?
So as you saw, Ed's got that out and now all these new bits come into play. So I'm looking at all these new bits I've got because Ed just told me to order stuff and I'm trying to match it all up. They go in there. How'd you take all this apart? Smashing all the hammer?
No.
I've got help because I'm crap. I drive, I don't fix.
They're soft anyway. So, oh, there you go. See?
Yeah. See, what you do is you pretend you can't do it, you don't know. Someone does it for you. Thank you. I need to ask him another question. Which side goes where? Because that's got a bit of a lip. That's thicker. Just while we're in the middle of something. The lip on the outside. So he reckons it's like that so you can push it in. Makes sense? If it was only so easy. What was that? It's an untested method. Yeah. It's gonna work. We're ready. Oh, that's hot that.
Yeah. You need, like
a
gentle method of getting this in.
Job done.
Well, she's a little bit torn up, but you know, not.
So if anyone's struggling, you get an ugga gun, a bolt, a nut, a washer. Do we use a washer?
Grease the bolt.
And grease the bolt. That worked though. Now we've got one more to do.
With a rubber one, it would have just slotted in, but because it's polybush, it's hard as hell.
Tough shit. So then we cracked on with the other side, and what we're essentially doing is using the bolt to screw in the polybush thingy-mabob. Okay, it's greased. The holes are greased. Now, Ed just removed the white piece, the old version of that, and now I need to put this in. Does that need greasing? Just the driver. Why I'm fixing things, I just don't know. It's my birthday as well. Comment happy birthday for me. It's very important, thanks. Right, that bit's done. You just shove it in.
That's what she said.
Easy as that, and then grease it up on the inside. And apparently you shouldn't bother greasing in them, but he said you should. Ed said you shouldn't, so they're greased anyway. But you grease inside that one, ruin your hands, and then you ask someone what to do next. So now I'm setting about removing the rear prop shaft donut because Alistair, the guy who's been helping me that isn't Ed, said he's got one that fits. So I'm going to try and replace it because he says it's an upgrade. He tells me to do this, then he just f***s up.
No.
Doesn't fit?
No.
Doesn't fit, you bastard. They should all be lined up.
That's not that bad yet.
Yet. Okay, so the f*** has made things easier because we can access
Watch this.
That's where the hole goes.
This goes. Oh no, sorry. I've done it a bit wrong.
Oh no. There your donut. He might have another donut that fits. I hope so, because I've just spent loads of time taking that off. What's wrong with it?
No, it's I went ahead and I fitted the bushing, but I needed to fit it on the ball and then fit the bushing.
This will give me first gear back.
Yep.
And there's a 3 litre E46 petrol getting a turbo.
It's too small.
Ah, his other donut's too small.
On the upside, at least it's easier to fit that now anyway.
Yeah.
Always a silver lining.
Dark black cloud.
So now Ed's refitting the gear stick mechanism and you're about to see him get really worried.
A very bad feeling.
Is it because it's squashed in there? It might need slightly drilling out.
No, it goes in.
So it seemed like the pins wouldn't fit through the new bushes because of the way we fitted them using the bolt. But we got lucky. And now Ed's refitting the whole gear stick mechanism with the new bushes installed and hopefully it'll be problem solved. And we're about to see how you can get it wrong.
Oh, there we go. Yeah.
How would you be able to get it wrong?
Because it's angled like this. So if you put another way, the gear stick will be looks like it's in the second or third.
Oh, right, okay.
Need to climb up the ladder and have a look if it's in the middle.
New invention then, they call it Death Ladder 3000.
Safe as houses this. I'm going up. Can't see. My ladder's wobbling. It looks like it's leaning back. Ah, this is so unsafe. That's in 5th, I mean 6th. That's 6th, no. 3rd.
It's not done yet. No.
Yeah, I think that's bang on. It's going straight up.
Like in neutral, yeah?
Yeah, it might be a little bit to the right.
No, that's only 2 positions. I did wrong one.
Yeah, that's right then, yeah. Perfect. That's safe. No one's offered to hold my ladder. Thanks for holding my ladder.
Oh shit, sorry.
Guys, now put it all back together and see if it works. He spotted this brake line. It's not meant to be there. Comes under the drive shaft. How? This car never passed the legitimacy. Just got in to check it. It's the wrong way. It's in 5th.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Is that right now?
Yeah. Why is it?
Why is it set in the middle?
To the side, isn't it? Everything's lined up. Where's the gear stick?
Are they all to the side?
There you go. I think it's the way it is. Yeah. Perfect.
You don't have to push it down to get it in first.
No. Look how nice it goes in the gear. Selects it.
Wow. It's felt broken since I bought the car.
It probably was.
How'd you get to reverse?
Just
yeah. Oh, it's so much better.
It's nice and
it's smooth.
Stiff.
Yes. I'm happy now. Can do some more donuts. Still works. It feels so much better. Thank you.
Yeah.
It's fucking great that. See you soon. Oh, seatbelts. So I just put most of this back together. So it is terrifying to drive. Not even lying. I'm gonna go home now. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed watching us put the gearbox back together. I certainly enjoyed doing it. And I love this car so much. See you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Make sure you subscribe.